Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to use your App Store or iTunes, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and tap on your profile, and from here tap on sign in and security and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here tap on change password, and now you have to simply change your password for your Apple ID for one time, and after this scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time as well. So guys, change the password and sign out your Apple ID, and after this you have to simply restart your device. So guys, restart the device and log in your Apple ID again in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to open settings again and then tap on your profile again, and from here go to payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time, and after this add your payment method again in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings and go to general section, and from here go to your language and region, and from here tap on region and change your region according to your country, and after this go back and now go to your date and time. Here it is, and set your date and time from here, and again go back and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help, and after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.